Hey y'all, welcome back to the Misfit Mama. It's me, Heather, your guide to authentic motherhood and homemaking. And today I am gonna try a new kind of series on my channel called Mama Tried. I did a video a while back where I tried a cleaning tip from another YouTuber, and that video did really well, and I really had a lot of fun making it because that's how I learned how to clean. Just trying tips and tricks on YouTube. So I thought it would be fun to keep on doing that. I was scrolling through Facebook the other day. I saw an article. This was the title. It said, "These brilliant cookies are taking the internet by storm. 3 ingredients and ready in no time." So I was like, I need to try that. I don't have the patience to make actual cookies, or the ingredients for that matter. So I thought it would be fun to try out these cookies, see if the recipe actually works, and if it tastes good at all. I have my little helper here with me. It's my son. We're gonna try them out. So let's do it. Let's read the recipe. What do we need? 3/4 cup of butter, 1/2 cup of sugar, and 2 1/4 cup of flour.
Can I get the milk?
We actually don't even need milk. Okay, so let's see what the recipe says. Step 1 is mix the butter and sugar. Then pour the flour and blend to a crumbly consistency.
Crumbly.
Can you put in the butter and the sugar in the bowl?
Wait, the butter first.
Sure, however you want to do it, man. I believe in you.
Like, put the whole chunk in?
Yeah, the whole thing. Okay, I think that's good.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is what we're looking like right now before we lay out the dough on the counter.
I saw a little piece of butter.
Yeah, I feel like this is not gonna work, but let's see. Okay. So the next step says to lay it out on the counter. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm not really sure how this is supposed to form into a dough because it's still really loose and floury. But let's try it. I'm not really a baker. Squeeze it all together.
Look! Teamwork to make the dream work.
That's right. This does not feel like dough at all. Every time I move it, it just crumbles off the sides of it.
Yeah, they probably cheated just that.
You think so?
You got it, Mommy.
I did?
Yeah. See? You got all of that to stand.
It's not quite what it looks like
But
in the
don't
picture, though.
destroy it.
No, well, we gotta move it.
Ah!
See, that's the problem.
Just hold it gently.
Okay, I'm gonna put this here. And we'll just mold this. See, it's not wanting to really stay together. I feel like we don't have enough butter. The butter is really what would make it stick together. See, it just crumbles. Step 3 has said, spread the sugar on the parchment paper, then roll the dough into a cylinder shape. I don't think we're gonna be able to roll our dough.
How are you gonna make a cylinder? That's impossible.
Okay, we might need to do this in 2 parts. So.
They only did it in 1 part.
I know, but theirs turned into a dough. Mine didn't, it's not turning into a dough. So I can get it like that much formed into a dough.
Okay, I'll help you carry it.
Okay.
Because
Ready?
my hands are soft.
Okay. And then let's put it like this. Okay, and then we're supposed to be able to roll it, but it's just gonna crumble apart.
Yeah.
See? That is not. Okay, I got an idea. Let's try this. You know what? Let's just throw all this dough in here. Okay, and then I'm gonna roll the parchment up.
Ooh, I have an idea.
Oh, I think that's working.
Wrap it, wrap it, wrap it.
Ah!
Ah!
Okay, this is not gonna be an epic fail. Or maybe it is, I don't know. But I'm not ready to give up yet. All right, what is step 4? Wrap the dough in saran wrap
I'll get
and
that.
cool in your refrigerator. We're gonna have to leave it in parchment paper because I'm afraid if we take it out of the parchment, it's just gonna crumble into a hot mess.
And a million pieces.
Yeah. Then I'm going to take my tightly wrapped parchment dough, put it in the saran wrap, and I'm gonna wrap this as tightly as I possibly can. And hopefully when the butter cools down in the fridge, it'll all sort of come together. I don't know. This is not working out quite as well as I had expected.
Can I slice it?
Okay, so here's what we've got right now. I don't think the dough is sticking together, but we're gonna put this in the fridge for 30 minutes and then we'll be back to finish the recipe. We've taken our dough out of the refrigerator.
And it's tomorrow in the morning.
No, it's not. It's 30 minutes later. So now we're gonna unwrap it.
Unwrap the bag.
And hope that it stays together.
Wrap, 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 wrap.
I'm gonna go like this.
Unwrap, wrap, 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 wrap. Unwrap, wrap, 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 wrap. It crumbled.
Already not looking great. You can see that it's cracked in a lot of places. It's still super crumbly.
Yeah,
We're supposed to cut it, but
stop. Like,
let's see if we can even get like one
It's
cookie.
soft.
See, every time I cut,
it's soft
Crumbles.
like a baby's cheek.
crumbles,
It's soft.
crumbles. Soft like a baby's butt.
Yeah.
So this I'm gonna call a fail. Okay, this is not working out.
Wait, can I trust him?
Sure. You didn't have to take such a huge bite.
No. No.
Healthy. I guess this isn't even a like lick the bowl, lick the spoon kind of situation. But I am gonna try to salvage this. I'm gonna soften up some more butter and then mix in a little bit more butter and see if I can't make this into an actual dough. For now, we're calling this a fail, but just wait. I'm gonna see if I can salvage this. And like I forgot I was wearing makeup today. I keep rubbing my face on my shirt, so it's now Vlogmas day 12 because we didn't get the chance to try and salvage our cookies yesterday. But we are gonna see what we can do today and see if we can actually make these cookies any better by adding some more butter. Still got my helper. So let's get started with that. Okay, so we're gonna start by putting the dough that we had started back into the mixing bowl, and then we're gonna add some more butter. I have these like half sticks and I'm not sure if that's why, but this is supposed to be half a cup and I put in a full one and a little bit more yesterday and still didn't work. So I'm gonna put half of this in to start and see if that helps.
Did you do that when I was in bed?
No, that's what we did
Oh.
together. Got the butter in, and now we're gonna whisk it up and see if we can't get a crumblier consistency.
And look at this thing. Comment down below if you know what this is.
I like to love you.
You think that's any crumblier?
That looks crumbly.
You think that's enough butter? Let's see how it sticks
I think
together.
it's more. I think put it more.
Well, it's starting to look better. You can see now that it's definitely staying together better, but I'm still gonna add a little bit more butter.
It's sugar cookie.
Because I noticed in the picture on the recipe webpage, they added 3 full sticks of butter. But mine says this is half a cup.
This is.
I like to.
Okay, let's see how that's holding together.
You don't add
Oh
milk.
yeah, I think that should be good.
You don't add milk.
See, now we're able to make a dough. Okay, so we're gonna head over to the counter and turn it out.
Turn it out.
Okay, now let's see if we can form this dough finally.
Sugar tastes good.
Okay.
Yeah?
Oh yeah, much better.
Oink, 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 oink. Oh, so cool.
See, now it's not falling apart.
Yeah!
Okay, so that's the key. It says spread sugar on parchment paper, then roll the dough into a cylinder shape. We're gonna wrap our dough in some saran wrap. Okay, I can cut it. And then put it in the fridge.
Real sorry.
Doesn't that look so much better than yesterday, Benz?
Yes.
Okay, we're good to go.
It just tastes.
Okay, so this has been in the fridge. It was actually in the fridge for longer than 30 minutes, but it is solid right now. So now the next step is to cut the dough into 1 centimeter slices and lay the cookies on an oven tray, bake at 320 degrees for 20 minutes. Okay, now they're ready to go in the oven. Alexa, set a timer for 20 minutes.
20 minutes. Starting now.
Are these done? Ah! So these cookies really aren't looking that much more brown. I put them in for another 10 minutes. So I'm just gonna let them cool down and then we'll do a taste test. Hopefully they're delicious. It smells like butter in here. So I mean, I can't imagine something with that much butter not tasting good. I mean. All right, it's taste test time. We have the cookies here. My little helper is currently having a meltdown, so it's just gonna be me. But let's see how these taste. You know what? Oh my god, I kind of love it. These taste like shortbread, which is my absolute favorite kind of cookie. Okay. This is a win. It's a win. Yeah, this is delicious. And now that I know that I have to make sure I have the right amount of butter, I could totally make these again. Delicious. They might even be good if you like melted some chocolate chips, dipped them in the chocolate. I might try that because I got a bunch of them here. But for something that was only 3 ingredients, this is incredibly tasty. Definitely something I would recommend trying out. I will leave a link to the recipe in the description box below. And now I'm gonna go eat the rest of these cookies. If you like this video, be sure to hit the thumbs up and subscribe, hit the notification bell, all of the things. I will catch you in the next video. In the meantime, keep it real.